Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Jain. I'm an MBA and an ex-banker with almost 15 years of experience, and our firm Pratibha Financial Services has been in the business of distribution of mutual funds for the last 4 years, and we are passionately helping people in their wealth management journey. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic which is very close to my heart: market timing. Timing in the market is something which a lot of people fall into, because that is one thing जो बहुत लोगों को entice करता है, बहुत excitement लगता है लोगों को, because the fact is that everyone feels that it's very easy to sell high and buy low and again sell high, because सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा वहीं पे बनता है investor का. But let me talk and confess that this is one of the most difficult things to do, and only 1% of the people in the world have been lucky to do that, if at all. Let me talk about my confession first. As a child, or rather as a young investor early in 2008, when the Lehman Brothers happened, I made a terrible mistake, and the biggest mistake of my life as an investor. I had been doing my SIPs regularly for the last so many years, but as a new, immature, inexperienced investor, I got greed or fear, I don't know what, but I actually stopped all my SIPs and started redeeming all my investments when the market was falling like a pack of cards early in 2008 because of the Lehman Brothers crisis. And today I realize that was my biggest mistake. Let me also tell you that very recently a lot of investors would understand, and a lot of advisors would also understand, that because of pandemic, because of Corona, a lot of investors have actually stopped their investments and have actually started sitting on cash, because hoping that they will be able to exit here and enter here. A classic case, a friend of mine who had a goal of doing his long-term retirement planning, and वो पिछले 3-4 साल से हमारे साथ invest कर रहा था. But suddenly when the Corona thing happened, पता नहीं greed था, fear था, क्या था, but he got into that thing in his head कि Gaurav, let's exit here because the markets will fall and we will take an entry again. Logic was perfect, but again when we were trying to time the market, he wanted to time the market, it was just not happening, because he was exiting here and hoping that he will get an entry, and he is still sitting on cash. And this is not one case. I'm sure hundreds of investors have been sitting on cash and are still sitting on cash hoping for a market to correct. So as I said, this is one of the most tough things to do, क्योंकि आपको ये चीज 2 बार सही करनी होती है, one at exit and second at entry, and again looking at an exit, which is nearly impossible. My advice to all the investors and advisors is, let's treat this investment not like a transaction. It should be treated like a journey. And an investor has to complete the entire journey to get the complete fruits of patience. So, of course, if you are a trader, you can buy, you can sell, you can win, you can lose. But if you really want to create wealth for long, I think you have to just stay in the market for long. Rather than timing the market, you have to time in the market. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बीच में हो सकता है आपका असेट एलोकेशन को सही करने के लिए देयर इज अ नीड फॉर यू टू रीबैलेंस योर पोर्टफोलियो, देयर इज अ नीड टू डू सम प्रॉफिट बुकिंग, समथिंग हियर एंड देयर, बट दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ योर असेट एलोकेशन जो आपको डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर मार्केट्स में आपके इक्विटी और डेट का जो बैलेंस है वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट बिट ऑफ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग शुड बी डन. बट डेफिनेटली डोंट ट्राई टू सिट ऑन कैश होपिंग टू गेट एन एंट्री, क्योंकि उसमें होता क्या है, या तो आप एंट्री कर नहीं पाते हो, और या तो आप एंट्री करते हो तो पहले से कहीं ज्यादा दाम पे आप खरीदते हैं. सो माई सिंसियर एडवाइस, डोंट टाइमिंग द मार्केट, डोंट टाइम द मार्केट, रादर टाइम इन द मार्केट. Thank you so much. Gaurav Jain from Pratibha Financial Services.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.